GoodRx Boy.
Hey guys, my name is Alex, and today I'll be showing you how to get coupons for Lisinopril. Before we get started, I'm gonna need to gather 4 pieces of information. One being the name of the prescription. In this case, it's gonna be Lisinopril. Second is gonna be the dosage or strength of the drug. For this prescription, it only comes 2.5 milligrams to 40 milligrams. Third one is gonna be the form. For this prescription, it only comes in tablets. And last is gonna be the quantity. So did the doctor prescribe you 30 tablets, 60 tablets, or 90 tablets? If you're having problems finding this information, you can always call your doctor's office. You can always double check the prescription paperwork they have given you. And lastly, you can always call the pharmacy. They will most likely have this information available for you.
So head over to your browser and type www.goodrx.com. It's gonna take you straight to the website. Also, I'll be leaving the link in the description down below. And if you like to use your phone, I'll also be leaving the link to the Apple Store and Google Play. Once we're on the GoodRx page, we're going to be typing the name of the prescription. In this case, it's going to be Lisinopril. And we're going to click where it says find the lowest prices. This is going to take us straight where we're going to be using our 4 pieces of information that we have gathered earlier. So first, we're going to go here with the name. So these are other names. Lisinopril, it is the most common and the most affordable one. So we're going to pick Lisinopril. It only comes in one form. Like I said, it only comes in a tablet form. It goes from 2.5 all the way to 40 milligrams, so you can choose whichever one the doctor has prescribed you. And then lastly, you're going to select how many tablets the doctor prescribed you. The doctor prescribed you 30 tablets, 60 tablets, 90, or you can always insert a unique quantity that the doctor may have prescribed you. Once it loads, you're going to be able to see the pharmacies and also the prices. On the first page, we're able to see that cost us the cheapest price with $6.31. If we scroll down, we're going to be able to see the other pharmacies, and we're going to be able to see that Walmart is the cheapest with $4. So I would recommend you guys to go to Walmart. Walmart, it is the cheapest, so take advantage of this. And by any chance you don't like going to Walmart or you prefer another pharmacy, you can definitely pick any other pharmacy that is available here. There's a CVS closer to my house, so I would pick CVS. So I would go all the way up and click where it says CVS. You will click where it says get free coupon. It will automatically take you to another tab and show you your coupon. Alright, so this is the coupon right here. Make sure to show this to the pharmacist, specifically at drop-off. They're the ones who take these coupons. Always print this prescription, email it to you, text it, or in case you can't do any of those, the pharmacist will only need you to have this information in order to get you your coupon. So you need to write down the member ID, the group, the bin, and the PCN. If you have any questions, feel free to write it down in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer as many as possible.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from this video. If you did, please leave a like and a comment down below. And also please share this video so other people can take advantage of these amazing coupons that GoodRx has to offer. See you next time.